How to fix OBS Studio mic not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your mic is not working in OBS Studio. So let's get started. Open up your OBS Studio first. Head over to settings in the right hand side, and then you can see audio option on the left. Now here you can see global audio devices. Make sure your desktop audio is not disabled. Tap on the drop down and make sure it is set to default or speakers. If you want audio too, then you can change the settings here as well. And then you can see mic auxiliary audio. Make sure all of it is set to default or set to microphone array. Make sure it is not disabled. And then you can also change the decay rate, the peak meter rate, and other advanced settings. Similarly, on general, you can change it to 48 kilohertz or 44.1. And similarly, you can also change the channels. So that's how you fix your mic in OBS Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.